Ever wondered why your homemade Palak Paneer never tastes like the one from your favorite restaurant? That rich green color, the silky texture, the melt-in-your-mouth paneer, it always feels just out of reach. In today's video, we're breaking it down into 5 simple chef-level steps that will completely transform your cooking game. And if you want the full written recipe with extra tips, don't forget, the complete blog post link is in the description. Let's get started and bring restaurant magic into your kitchen.
You've tried making Palak Paneer at home, but it turns out watery, dull, or just not exciting. Sound familiar? The truth is, it's not about fancy ingredients. It's about technique. Most home cooks make the same mistakes: overcooking spinach, skipping blanching, or mishandling paneer. But once you understand a few simple chef secrets, everything changes. Today, we'll fix those mistakes step by step and help you create that authentic restaurant-style taste right at home. Great Palak Paneer starts with great ingredients. Always choose fresh, dark green spinach. No yellow spots, no wilted leaves. That freshness directly impacts flavor and color. Now for paneer. Store-bought is convenient, but soaking it in hot water for 10 minutes makes it soft and creamy. And don't underestimate spices. Cumin, garam masala, kasuri methi. These are the soul of the dish. Pro tip: prepping ginger garlic chili paste in advance can cut your cooking time in half on busy days. Here's where most recipes go wrong. The spinach paste. Blanch your spinach for exactly 30 seconds, then immediately transfer it into ice water. This locks in that vibrant green color. Once cooled, squeeze out all excess water before blending. Too much water means bland, runny gravy. For that restaurant-style smooth texture, pulse blend instead of continuous blending. And here's a secret: add a little cilantro, mint, and even a few fenugreek leaves to elevate the flavor to the next level. Now comes the heart of the dish: the gravy. The magic lies in adding spices at the right time, not all at once. For that creamy texture, skip heavy cream. Use cashew paste instead. It gives richness without overpowering the dish. Balance is everything. A hint of sour, a touch of sweetness, proper salt, and that umami kick from kasuri methi. This balance is what separates a good dish from an unforgettable one. Ever noticed that irresistible aroma in restaurant Palak Paneer? That comes from tempering. Heat oil until it shimmers. Add cumin seeds and let them release their flavor before adding other ingredients. Also, control your gravy consistency. Neither too thick nor too runny. And here's a pro move: use reserved spinach water instead of plain water. It keeps the flavor rich and intact. Paneer can make or break your dish. Always soak it in hot water before cooking. This keeps it soft. Lightly pan-fry in ghee for a slight crust, but don't overdo it. Add paneer only after the gravy cools slightly and cook on low heat for just a few minutes. Overcooking is the #1 reason paneer turns rubbery, so keep it gentle and controlled. Now for the final touches that give your dish that restaurant finish. Drizzle fresh cream in a spiral, sprinkle kasuri methi, and add julienne ginger for presentation. Serve it hot with butter naan, zira rice, or even basmati rice. Pair it with raita or mango lassi, and you've got a complete restaurant-style meal right at home. Every great dish has a story. For me, Palak Paneer brings back memories of a roadside dhaba in Punjab. Rich, aromatic, and unforgettable. Over time, that experience turned into experimentation, even creating a fusion dish called Palak Kofta. Because cooking isn't just about taste, it's about memories, creativity, and sharing moments with the people you love.
And there you have it, your complete guide to making restaurant-style Palak Paneer at home. With the right ingredients, proper techniques, and a little patience, you can recreate that rich, creamy, flavorful dish anytime you want. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. We'd love to hear how your Palak Paneer turned out. And for the full detailed recipe with extra tips and FAQs, make sure to visit our blog post, the link is in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking secrets from our zone. See you in the next video.